सब्सक्राइब करें श्रुति अर्जुन आनंद चैनल को और बेल बटन पे क्लिक करें लेटेस्ट ब्यूटी एंड मेकअप वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hey guys, it's your girl Shruti here. So today I am going to talk about top 5 foundations as well as I am going to compare them and I'm going to scrutinize them. So let's get started. If you like my fashion sense or you want me to reply back to you, then don't forget to comment below my latest pic on Instagram and follow me there because I'm more active there. In no particular order, the first product I'm going to talk about is Shambor Rosa Skin Fusion Foundation. It retails for $14.95 and you get 25 ml of this product. This foundation is dermatologically tested and it doesn't have any animal ingredient in it. It is very liquidy in consistency, so you need little bit of this product. Because it is highly pigmented, you need hardly 2 drops to get a sheer coverage, 4 drops for medium coverage and 6 to 7 drops for high full-on coverage. In the end of the video, I am going to compare and swatch all the foundations. It comes in 4 different shades from lighter to darker. Now I'm not able to find my perfect shade because the darkest shade, which is right here, is little too dark for me, and the one which is lighter from this one is a little lighter on my skin tone. Packaging is something which I'm not a big fan of because it's in a dropper form, so it makes it a little messier to use. Now when you blend this foundation, it blends very easily, it's very smooth on your face and it makes your face flawless. But I had seen that after 5 to 6 hours it start fading, and within like 8 hours it will fade a lot. So make sure when you are using this foundation, it will give you a good wear of I will say 6 to 7 hours only. Our next foundation is Revlon Color Stay Foundation. For 30 ml of this product, you are going to pay 995 rupees. Now, the shade is Natural Tan. It has SPF 15 in it and it's for combination oily skin type. This foundation comes in different variant. For example, it comes for oily skin type and dry skin type. Now, Revlon claims that it's going to wear for good 24 hours as well as it's going to make your face flawless, and it is a very weightless foundation. Shade range of this foundation is a big problem. It comes in 3 to 4 different shades and the darkest one is Natural Tan, which is way too light for me. It comes in a pump kind of packaging which is very hygienic and I love it. Now the product is amazing. The foundation, the formulation is so good. It is going to last you for all day. I have not tried it for 24 hours, but I tried it for good 12 to 13 hours and it was there, not at all budged, and it didn't fade on my skin. I will say that I was sweating as well, but it didn't move from its place, so I can say it's kind of waterproof as well. Our next foundation is a HD foundation from LA Girl. It's their Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation and it retails for 1150 rupees for 28 ml of this product. Now the company claims it's going to give you medium to high coverage and it's going to last for very long time. Now it's a HD illuminating foundation, so it's going to photograph pretty well and it's going to give you that dewy kind of look. One more thing, it's very hydrating on your skin and it's paraben free. Now can you believe it? It comes in 16 different shades, so no matter what, you can find a perfect matching foundation to your skin tone. The packaging of this foundation is in pump form, which I absolutely love, you guys know. And it gives a medium to high coverage, which makes it perfect for special occasions, especially if you are a bride-to-be, then you should definitely try this foundation. Now, if you are looking for a everyday foundation, I will say it's a little heavier on side, but for special occasions, this is a perfect foundation. The shade I have here is Soft Honey, and because it's an illuminating foundation, don't feel like that it's going to make your face oily, especially if you have oily skin type. It adds a good dewiness to your face without making your face oily. Our next foundation is Revlon Nearly Naked Foundation. For 30 ml of this product, you are going to pay 750 rupees. The shade I have here is 190 True Beige and it also has SPF 20 in it. Revlon claims it's an everyday foundation because it's very lightweight and when you apply it on your face, it's melt into your skin. That's why the name is Nearly Naked, because you cannot detect that you're actually wearing foundation. This foundation comes into 3 to 4 different shades depending upon from where you're actually buying it. The one I have here is the darkest shade and it's a perfect dead-on match for me. The packaging of this product is in bottle form, which is a little messier but still okay. Now let's talk about the formulation of the product because it's a star. If you are going to apply 1 coat of this foundation, it's going to give you a sheer coverage perfect for everyday use. But if you are going to apply 2 coats, it's going to give you medium coverage, good for special occasions. Also, it melts into your skin and it photographs perfectly well. Especially in photographs, you won't be able to detect that you are wearing foundation. This is how amazing it is on you. The last foundation I have here is L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. And for 30 ml of this product, you are going to pay 1400 rupees. The shade I have here is 320 Caramel Toffee. Now, L'Oreal claims it's going to last for 24 hours. Also, it's non-transfer, no visible imperfections, no visible shine, no dry out, and no mask effect. It comes in 11 different shades, which makes it perfect for every skin tone. Packaging is pump form, which is a big thumbs up. Now let's talk about the product. It is my holy grail foundation these days because it photographs so well. It gives you medium to high coverage and it lasts all day. It doesn't budge even if I'm going out in a hot summer day for an Instagram picture. Still, it doesn't budge on my face and looks phenomenally good. Now it's time to compare all the foundations and I'm going to compare them according to the USP of the foundation. The Chambord one, if you're looking for a foundation which is extremely lightweight and well pigmented and you're able to find a perfect shade, then only you should go with this foundation. If you're looking for a foundation especially for photography and you're able to find a perfect shade in Revlon Colorstay one, then you should definitely try it out. With the Elegirl foundation, you will be able to find your perfect shade. At the same time, it looks phenomenal on your face. Now, if you are a fan of matte finish foundation, then you should skip this one. Else, if you want that beautiful glowy dewy effect, you can definitely try this one out, especially because this foundation looks phenomenal in pictures because it's a HD foundation. If you're not a big fan of BB creams because they cake up after 4 or 5 hours and you are a college going or office going girl, you should definitely try Revlon Naily Naked Foundation because it's a very lightweight foundation. Especially it's a perfect foundation for the selfie look. If you're a makeup lover like me or there are several occasions lined up in your family, or if you are a bride-to-be, you should definitely try L'Oreal Infallible Foundation because it's photographed pretty well as well as going to give you that heavy coverage which you need for special occasions. So that's it for this video. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button and hit on that like button if you find this video informative and leave me a heart emoji in the comment section just because I love you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.